And one particular crop, almonds in the US and now in Australia, is transforming the world of beekeeping and of bees.
What has happened is something serendipitous came along that people found out, or doctors found out, that almonds are good for you. A confection, but it's good for you. The Almond Board got a very aggressive promotion going on for almonds. They actually, I just heard recently, send out sales reps to cardiologists at hospitals to promote the heart benefits of almonds in a very good promotion of almonds, and it's a legitimate promotion because they are a healthy food.